Learn French vowel combination sounds. The combination is O and I. The sound for O and I is wa, wa. TR, tr, OI is wa. This is trua. Last S we don't pronounce, it is muted. B is b, OI is wa, h, wa. Last E is muted, we don't pronounce. E with an accent, sound is A. The sound is a little longer, so A. TOI, toi, l, A, toile. Last E we don't pronounce. O and I is oa. S, E, A, U is so. Oa, so. E, A, U again, 3 vowel combination, it is O. S is sir, O, I is oa, h, soir. N is na, O, I is oa, h, noir. M is ma, O, I is oa, moi. T is the, O, I is oa. This is toi. So let's read again. Toi, voir, étoile, oiseau, soir, noir, moi, toi. Thanks for watching.